Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to my channel, 𝐑𝐞𝐶𝐽. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Rage CoOp. With Rage CoOp, you can actually go online, play co-op with Grand Theft Auto, which you already can do, but in this case, you can do it with your plugins and additional LSPDFR, vehicles, etc., and the ability to see it with each other. So that's pretty awesome. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial. Before we get started, I would love for you to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. Also, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So let's get started. We're going to need to download a bunch of files to make this work. I'm going to guide you through it. In the description, there will be a link to my Discord. The files will be in my Discord server, so you need to verify yourself to go, get into my Discord. So do that. Let's hop over to Discord and see what is going on. Yes, this is my Discord right here. You have to verify yourself, or else you won't see the resources section again. Let me make myself clear. After that, we also have a support page right here. You can post if you can't figure something out. We are gladly here to help you. For this tutorial, we're going to go to the GTA co-op section. Just made it on right now. We're going to need 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐶 V, 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐶.net. Menyo is not necessary, but is a simple an advanced trainer that can practically do anything in the game. Change your weather, teleport yourself, spawn weapons, spawn any cars, any vehicles, and much more. And the last thing we're going to need is the Rage client zip file itself. So the file is here. You can only download it from here. So yeah, let's go over these links. So yeah, let's just click on it and the page will open right away. And this one, continue to download. Hoppa. Okay, gonna download this file, the 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐶 V.net file right here. Click on here and then scroll down, click here, and the Menyo. We're gonna go over here and here. It's very easy. That's just clicking to download these files. So we've got them all four. Let's go ahead and go to our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder and to our downloaded folder. Okay, on my left side, we have the files we downloaded. On the right side, we have our Grand Theft Auto main directory folders. As you can see, I have a bunch of them. The reason why is because I like to, first of all, make a lot of backups. Second of all, separate some plugins like LSPDFR with Menyo, with Natural Vision involved, with Shorts. You don't need to do all this, but I highly recommend you always having a clean version so you can switch over. And I highly recommend you making a backup of the plugins folder that you install. Every time you install an additional plugin or 3 plugins, make a copy of the folder. Copy, paste. It's that simple. And then when I want to play with this one right here, I need to change this one. This is also a clean version, by the way. The clean. And if I want to play with the clean version, I'll change this to here. It is that easy. Okay? It is that easy. Okay, now if I want to play back with the other one, like this, and this. I can't tell you how important this is because I get most support questions about installing something wrong and you have to start all over again. So that's really annoying. Okay, let's unzip all these. Just right click on them and click on extract all. And there's going to be one folder open right here. Oh, it didn't extract all. We're going to do it one by one. We have Menyo here on the left side. We're going to select that folder and this file right here. We're going to drag and drop it in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder, just like how I am doing. Then we're going to go back. We're going to go to 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐶 V.net, extract all, right click and hit extract all. And we're going to open up that folder that got extracted and we're going to select the files that I select. That's going to be all these files, and we're going to drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. There you have it. Then we're going to go back. We're going to go to 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐶 V, right click on it, hit extract all. Wait for it. Open up that folder. Open up the Bing folder. select these two files that I select and drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. Then we're gonna go back and we have as last the Rage CoOp client. Before we go any further, we need to go ahead and change a key here in Menyo stuff. Menyo stuff. We're gonna go to Menyo folder and double click here on and edit it. We're gonna hit Control V, Control Find on the keyboard, hit setting, type in setting, and here we're gonna have a spooner mode hotkey. That's gonna be F9. We're gonna set it to 121. That's gonna be F10. You can look your key codes right here if you want to change to something else instead of F10. Then we're gonna close it down and hit save. It's not directly doing that, so what I'm gonna do is, if it is for you, then that's good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close it down. Don't save it. I'm gonna drag it here. Here we can actually delete it, and it's deleted. Here I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna do Control Find again, setting. So it's possible that you don't have that issue what I just had. Where is the other one? This F9. Is it? Did we not just have it all time where? There, right here, object spooner. We're gonna change that 121 to 12 or 120 to 121. Now we're gonna drag and drop it right back here. Hit continue. There you have it. Now we can actually open up Rage Hook client. Just to be clear, let's go ahead and scan it. No threats found. Good. Gonna open it up. We're gonna go open up this, and then we're gonna go to Rage CoOp client installer. Open it with the administration rights. Click yes, and select your 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸 in your main Grand Theft Auto directory folder. Select it, open it. Installation successful. Yes. It's possible it's going to ask you to download and install something. I don't see that part here. If it does, just hit yes, install, and then you're done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open up Grand Theft Auto and see if it works. So the key we have now for this is okay, totally fine if you get this. The key that you get for the co-op is F9. F8 itself is for Menyo, and F10 is for free view on Menyo. So it's not important. I don't even use that. We could have also just deleted that 212. So, but if you, as you could have, you just noticed, I had to drag the Menyo file on a different folder to edit it. Oh, still loading. And that's how I was able to save it and drag it back in the Menyo folder. Seems like we have a problem here. Hold on. Okay, just had to close that fast. Sign in. And there you go. Okay, I saw my camera was freezing a bit, so I had to fix that fast. Let's go outside. Are we losing some frames? I think I am. Let's go ahead and fix that. It's pretty okay. It's not that bad. Okay, let's hit F9. Then you'll get this pop-up right here. And yeah, there are some things you can create your own server. In this case, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and look for servers. Currently, there is these ones online without any players. Let's go here and let's connect. There you have it. Oh, I am losing some frames. Sorry about that. So yeah, it is working, as you can see. No issue whatsoever. You can see on the map where that other person is. Oh, he's right there. Go ahead. If you hit F9, you'll see... Oh. What is settings? You can disable traffic NPC. And now you will see NPC, I guess. And now it's disappearing. Enable voice. Oh yeah, you can change the key. What else? Passenger. Okay, you can get in as a passenger if you hit G. Nice. What else? What else? These are the servers currently. There's not a lot of people playing, but as you can see, you can make your server here easily. There's only 5 servers. This is China, Hong Kong. I don't know where we're in now, but you can easily make up your own server, and also an opportunity. But hey, if you see all these are empty, you can just join one of these with your friends and use your own mods. I don't know how far we can go with this. Could you play LSPDFR? Could you not? Yo, Nali! Wait! Sup? Let me get in. Let me get in. Oh, that's not some... Ah! The fuck? Hey, what happened? Where did he go? He just disappeared on me. I hear some shots fired. Oh, there he is. I think he just teleported himself. Look. He's right here. Yeah, he teleported himself, alright. But where's the shots coming from? Okay, well that's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Leave me some feedback. Thank you all for watching again, and goodbye.